Hello guys, how you all doing? Welcome to today's class. So today we're going to be learning a brief overview on how to generate your AI videos from the scratch. If you have zero knowledge, this class is absolutely for you. So now let's go. The first thing you need to do is to have an idea. Yes, that's all you need. Just one tiny little idea is what you need. Once you have your idea, then other tools may come in. So for this class, you are going to be making use of Gemini app or Gemini as a whole. Let use the application or the site. Then we're also going to use ChatGPT. Then we're going to use Google Image Effects or Whisk to generate our image, or we can also use Gemini to generate our image. Another thing we are going to use is Grok AI. Although Grok AI is now a paid tool, it's no longer free. You can use Grok AI to convert your images to video. So let's go. Let's see
How I
how it is
created
done.
the
Watch
story.
here.
First, I go to ChatGPT, tell it to write a story. So this is the story idea I'm trying to tell just ChatGPT to create. So as ChatGPT is creating the story, this is what it has. So I also tell it to give me an image prompt. Doing this is actually easy. So I'm giving it the dimension of the image prompt I want it to do, and I gave it a brief description of the main character I wanted to. So it's giving me the image script. So with this image script now, I also asked it to create image to video. I think I asked it to add dialogue into it. And also I asked it to write the story in narrative format so that in case I want to use voiceover, I want to use another AI to do the voiceover, I can actually do it. So first I will copy what I need. So the next AI tool I'm going to be using is Google Image Effects. This Whisk Google Image Effects, name of the site. Then I'll copy the prompt I got from ChatGPT, then input it
So the
in
The
the Google
voiceover
Image
has
Effects
just been
so that it
generated.
can
So now
generate
let's
the image
listen
for
to
me.
it.
That's what we have
It was
here. See?
exactly 12:03
So it has
a.m.
generated
when
its
Ada heard
first
the
image for me.
first knock.
So I'll
She
download the
sat
image,
upright in
then
bed,
click
her
here, then
heart
fix in the
suddenly
image so that I
pounding
can
in the
get
silence of
consistent
her
image.
small apartment.
And I copy the next
Knock,
one,
knock,
change the
knock.
aspect ratio,
Slow, heavy,
paste it,
deliberate. She
then wait
reached
for
for
it
her
to
phone,
generate.
but there was no
After it
message, no missed
generates,
call,
so if you
nothing.
look at this image now, it's
Rain tapped
consistent with the first
softly against
image.
the window,
Both
and
character has the
So
same
that is
face.
how it is done. It's super easy. Please, if you need
And this is
more
another one.
updates like this,
So
more
after
free
downloading
tools for your AI
all these
automation, please
images,
don't
I did
forget
only
to
4 scenes
like,
because I want
share,
this video to
and
be short.
subscribe.
So after downloading
Let's
these
have
four
in here
scenes,
to
I
those.
will take them to
So as you
another
can see, it
app
is pretty
called
much
Grok.
easy. It is easy.
It's also a
Just
free app
what you need
which
to
I
do is
use
get your idea, ask ChatGPT to generate your idea for you,
to
get
generate
your
the
stories,
video to
get your
convert
prompt, tell it to give you prompt. You don't need to write your prompt for yourself. Get
the
your prompt,
images to
take
video.
it to either Gemini or Whisk or any other image generation tool you have.
How you doing?
Please put the prompt, then the tools will generate the image for you. What you have to do again is
So I
copy your
open Grok,
images or
I
save your
upload the
images. Then
image,
you go to
then
Grok AI.
that prompt that
If you don't have the
ChatGPT
paid
created for
version,
us, the
there
image
are
to
other
video
tools
prompt
that you can
with the
use
dialogue.
to generate free image
I
like Meta
copied it.
AI. Or even though Meta AI doesn't have
I was finding it difficult
voice,
to copy it here,
but
so I
it's
had to
still
like
free. It's what
copy
you
the
can use
full thing,
and
then
just
put it in my notes.
start content
And I
creation. Or
copied
if
it.
possible, there's a
After
lesser
copying, I'll paste it
subscription
right
fee
back
for Grok, which
so
is
that
up to
the video will be
7,500. You
generated.
can get that one and get going. So it's very easy to start your AI AI animation image generation. It is very easy. So please
So
don't
this is the
forget to
video it
like,
generated.
share,
So that
and
image
subscribe.
now has not
Let's
turned
go
into video.
together.
So you do it in several times, you do it over and over
So as
again
you can
for
see, it
all
is
the
pretty much easy. It is easy. Just what you need to do is get your idea, ask ChatGPT to generate your idea for you, get your stories, get your prompt, tell it to give you prompts. You don't need to write your prompt for yourself. Get your prompt, take it to whether Gemini or Whisk or any other image generation tool you have. Please put the prompt, then the tools will generate the image for you. What you have to do again is copy your images or save your images. Then you go to Grok AI. If you don't have the paid version, there are other tools that you can use to generate free image like Meta AI. Or even though Meta AI doesn't have voice, but it's still free. It's what you can use and just start
part
your
of when
content
you have to
creation. More
edit your video.
importantly, there's
All the short videos you
the
put there, you can
Lexa
use CapCut
subscription
or
for
any video
$12,
editor.
which is up
So I
to
decided to
7,000.
My
use
son
this
don't
one.
enter university. Thank you.
You can
Chinedu, you
add,
don't
you can
blow.
find, you can
Life
add
don't
music, you
change.
can add voiceover, you can
Chinedu, how
add
campus? You don't
subtitles
forget
to yours.
us.
So
I
this one is
beg,
just
now
for
village people, I
tutorials.
no get time for that
Also,
life
it's
again. Guy,
short, so
enjoy a new
Please
level.
it's
don't forget to
God,
like,
so
share,
I
that's
mess
pretty
up.
much it.
Musa, I beg help me.
I'll
People who
post
worked with
the
you.
final video at the end.
My son don't enter university. Thank you. Chinedu, you don't blow. Life don't change.
Chinedu was a young 16-year-old Nigerian boy living in the village. Without anything, he just got admission to study in the university.
Chinedu, how campus? You don't forget us.
I beg, now village people, I no get time for that life again. Guy, enjoy a new level.
Chinedu, now a big boy, ignores his old friends. Even when they call him, he doesn't even answer that call anymore, saying, those guys are village people, nothing concern me, concern them again. My life done better, nothing concern me, concern that village again.
God, I mess up. Musa, I beg help me. Hold on, my brother. I dey come.
Chinedu was confused because when he was sick in the hostel, his so-called school friends did not come for him. The only hope he had was to call his friend Musa from the village, who later came to help him, bring him medications and plenty foodstuff.
I'm sorry, my people. Pride nearly destroyed me. No worry. Never forget the people who walked with you before success came.
During holiday, Chinedu retraced his steps. He went back and begged his friends for forgiveness, and the whole village forgave him. And he stayed there, enjoyed himself before going back to school. Please don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.